In this video, I'm going to show you how incredibly easy it is to add a fave icon to your Shopify store. Let's get started. So right here, I'm in the dashboard of my Shopify store. And on the left side, you see under online store, you want to go to themes. So you click themes, and whatever theme you have set up on your Shopify store, you want to click on customize. So I go to customize, and basically on the left side, or however way you have it set up on your Shopify store with your theme, you're going to see something that's going to say theme settings, something that's sort or sections, and also app embeds. So you want to go to theme settings. And over on theme settings, you have different choices over here that you can actually do some customization with. But we want to actually just focus on the Fave icon. And Fave icon is basically just that little icon that shows up on the browser so that when you either bookmark something or if someone is looking at all of their tabs, they can see a little icon to kind of give them an idea of what that website is before even clicking on it. So it's very important, helps with branding, helps with keeping your business in front of people to understand where they are and also keeping with your branding. But a really quick way to be able to find what you need, which is the Fave icon section, you can do on Windows on Control F and just search for Fave icon on the page of theme settings and then put in Fave icon and you should be able to go really quickly over to it, which is here. Or you can just search through all of the different selections and find Fave icon. Unfortunately, it's not in alphabetical order, so it's not going to give you any kind of pass with that. So you have to go searching around. But that's what I found would be the quicker way to be able to find it. And once you find it, you can be able to upload your Fave icon, which is typically usually 1-to-1, meaning 32 by 32, sometimes even 512 by 512, and they reduce it down. So me personally, I like to use a PNG file, so it's transparent, so that I can just have the icon instead of having that white background. So you can do whatever you want. You can do JPEG and other options. But if I wanted to be able to change it here and put another image for my favorite icon, I can, but I already have it set. But, that's pretty much it. It's really straightforward. It's not really that complicated. I don't know why they have it all buried within the theme settings, but it's one of those things, I'm sure they probably will improve in the future. If you have any questions about your Shopify store, please let me know. If you have any questions about this video, make sure you put some in the comments.